Welcome to Thailand! Pula na tayo food review.
Economy girl. Transfer. Sa dalawang national luggage yung dalawa. 10 p.m. January 30. Ready na ang group. Tita, say hi. Ge. Emerita. Busy si Emerita. Yan, ganda. Gusto ko yan. Very nice.
10%?
Next target. Travel tax. So I'm waiting for them to pay the travel tax. Magkano kaya? May travel tax ka?
Wala.
Sana all. Sana all. Economy. 1,600. Ano? Full payment. And full kami pala, sorry. Ay, 1,620 pag full. Pero since
First class? Kung tayo first class ko yan?
bet ko rin yung tita. Pangarap
First
niya.
class?
Economy girl. Doon tayo sa mura. Papasok na kami sa immigration. Good morning. Thank you. I forgot. Ito na ang immigration. Kinabahan ako dun sa immigration. Kinabahan ako. For some weird reason, kinabahan ako. Hindi ako kinakabahan kasi kapag yung pang-work, hindi ako kinakabahan. Ang tanong sa akin, seaman? Opo. Pero tinanong niya kung yung bang purpose ng travel ko is for work or sabi ko holiday. Tapos, kailan yung sampa ko daw? Tapos hiningan ako ng return ticket. Buti na lang prepare ko na. Pero kinabahan ako. Tapos hindi wala tinanong din sa akin, pang ilang travel ko na daw to. Sabi ko, may previous travel ka na ba before? Sabi ko, meron naman. Alam mo kung bakit? Kakabasa ko yan ng mga horror story sa Facebook. Kaya yun. Good morning. Thank you. Wala eh. Good morning. Thank you. Second aisle po. Diyan sa tabi mo. Baka naman pwede sa tabi mo. it's a 3-hour flight. Bangkok is 1 hour backwards from the Philippines. So right now, it's around 1 p.m., 1:15, 1:30 in Manila. And right now, it's only 12:30 here. Ano ba yan? Bagal mo naman. Napakabagal.
Ano ka sa may ano?
Ayoko nahiya ako, nakikita nila ako.
Binigay nila sa iya ka.
Hindi naman nila ako kilala. Welcome back to my channel. I have my special guest here in Bangkok. Say hi.
Welcome, kabong ka.
No, sawadika.
Sawadika, sawadika.
Kasi
Hello?
kopun ka, whatever.
Kabong ka. Alam mo
Is
sino
thank you.
kabong ka? Sawadika. Sawadika.
O, chinita ka pa naman, papasa ka. So, ano naman masasabi mo sa, what is your first impression here in this airport?
Okay naman pala. Maganda pala yung airport nila. Na-expect ko hindi ganito.
Siguro
Masyado ako na-expect kasi masyadong mataas yung standards ko sa Singapore. Dahil Singapore feeling. Pero okay naman, maganda naman pala yung nila, airport nila.
iniwan na natin yung mga senior.
Yung sila sa likod, ayun.
But this one is also very good. They also have their own train station.
Welcome to Thailand!
Ayun po yung aming mga senior na kasama. wala tayong pakialam kayo kasi hindi naman nila tayo kilala.
Siya. Hindi mo tayo intindihan ng iba.
Magkano yung winidraw mo? 5,000 mo na pero mag-withdraw. Ayun nga din 5,000 na iniisip ko.
Tapos parang kulang yung 5,000 kasi makabayad ako ng 6,800. รับเงินแล้วอย่าลืมบัตรนะคะ 1.71
Hello! Kluk? Yes. Sorry?
booking.
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you need?
Number booking.
10 minutes, okay. Now we're on our way to our transfer. Can I be on the front? Oh, yeah, you're correct. It's right-hand drive. How far is the hotel from here?
40 and 50 minutes.
Oh, 40 to 50. It's quite far. So now we're in Bangkok City Hotel. It's 45 minutes away from Bangkok International Airport. Hindi ko alam paano sabihin nyo. Subanab, pero yun na yun. Okay, so upon entering, On your right side is the toilet. This is the toilet. Ginamit na namin siya. It has hair dryer. It has all the basics. Hair dryer, sink, and this, I think this is shampoo, conditioner, soap, and then toilet paper. We also have towels here. And there is a bathtub slash shower. Toilet, of course, very important with bidet. So that's it. Next. Ito pa lang, itong full-length mirror. That's my outfit. Okay, hindi ko siya na-open. So this is the closet. Walang ilaw yung closet. It's too dark. Mayroong chinelas, but I brought my own, so no need for that. Hangers. Akala ko nandiyan si Toshio. Okay. And then, that's ate. I will cover her face. Ito, meron ding kettle, 2 cups, and instant coffee. Mayroon ding mini bar. Mini bar that doesn't contain anything, but that's fine. And then on this side, safety deposit box, telephone, and we have the king bed. No, it's not king, it's queen bed. The TV, which is makalat as of this time. And then plug. And eto, sorry. This is like a couch of some sort. So this is the view. And let's see what you can see here. I don't have my ND filters. I have a mishap in the airport earlier. So anyway, that's for a different vlog. But yeah, this is what you're going to see from the outside in Bangkok. And time check, what's the time right now? Ate? Anong oras na?
3:16.
Okay, at this time it's 3:16 p.m. January 13. So very good just for natural lighting. Yeah.
You had to seem to have a distinction. You had the DDS, as you said, that the media would portray being the insurgency na napasok.
This is my outfit.
That's a complicated matter. Pagka pumasok, kaya rin ano yan?
7-Eleven. Tapos yun. Ito dito oh. Another ATM. Ay, sorry. Ang sarap po. Ay, daming kainan dito. Ayan o. Hindi. Pag sa gabi. Ang daming pwedeng kainan.
Pili ko ito. Ang daming street foods din.
Oo.
Gusto ko yung watermelon. Parang chicken.
Parang sarap. Uy, ito tinan mo oh.
Ano naman naman ba?
Ha? May self-service laundry. Ito, may mga ganyan sila. Oo nga, no? Ano na, mag-book ka na. Oo.
Dito tayo sa ano?
Prato na.
Cafe Amazon, doon tayo magantay.
Uy, ate. Diyos ko, kaya lapit. Kasi may... Sana ano, may mango sticky rice na malapit. I think you have a lot of Filipinos nowadays. That includes us. So we're gonna do the tuk-tuk. Where am I gonna sit? Oh my God, I forgot I'm also old. Getting old. Welcome back to my channel. So this is our first tuk-tuk ride. First day, first tuk-tuk. Ano naman po masasabi nyo?
Mga thunders.
Masakit sa tuhod. Masakit ba?
Kasi yung pag-apat ko. Ato pala yung pato na. Nakala ko dito kasi.
Ha? Si Kuya Driver. Alam mo, sa ibang bansa. Na ano? Perfume? Asan? Asan?
Pula na tayo food review.
We ordered 4 dishes. We're going to share everything para matikman natin lahat. And nandito na yung food number 1 namin. Ooh! What is this?
Okay to.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Pad Thai with shrimp.
Is that the pad thai? Pad thai ba yan? Hindi
Yeah.
naman pad thai yan.
Ay, dito ba ito?
Fried rice yan. Oh yan, ito kay ate yan. Ay, this is a second one. What is it? Parehong prawn?
Mama ata yan, pad rice din eh.
Ewan ko. Kahit ano, hati-hati tayo.
Happy naman eh. Lagay mo dyan.
Okay, so this is the second menu. Alam mo, you know what I'm most excited about? Itong mga ganitong
Sauce.
sauces nila. It's very good. Pero very spicy din. Okay, the third dish. Ayan.
Pad Thai.
Feeling ko pad thai to. Mukha
Pad
siyang
Thai.
pad
Oh, pad
thai.
Thai yan.
Ayan.
Meron pa isang pad Thai.
One more.
Pad Thai din yung pinili ko alam ko eh.
So one more, we're only missing one. The only downside here is daanan siya ng mga tao.
Yan yung akin.
Okay. So this is the fourth one. Another pad thai. Okay, so meron na kaming midnight snack
Yung midnight.
for tonight.
Bakit tikma mo na?
Meron silang
Labas mo.
pabagoong. I don't know if this is bagoong something. Ang sasarap ng mga dip nila.
Ayun
Nakakainis.
ang panlaban nila.
Tapos, meron pa silang ganito, oh. Ito parang sugar na may something. Sugar na...
Di ano to, salt with chili.
Ay, salt with chili.
Okay, food review.
Food critic kami for today's video.
Pad Thai with shrimp.
Yes!
Same lang tayo, no? Pero may shrimp lang yung akin.
Oo.
Ano
Taste
to?
test. Gusto ko siya.
Sarap.
Gusto ko ng pad thai na matamis.
Sarap. Pati meron ko ng anong egg nila.
Actually, may small rig ako eh.
Parang may egg nila. Parang may egg nila. Masarap naman.
Parang titigman ko nga itong sausawan na. Saan hindi ako mamatay.
Hindi bagong luto to?
Hindi. Yun din yung ay, napakaanghang.
Hindi na init. Ako din, parang fried rice ko, hindi rin bagong luto. Lalo, ito daw, review. Not good.
Okay, yung fried rice. Hindi siya ganun ka-ano. Parang di fresh yung fried rice.
Anong luto niya? Hindi mainit.
Hindi siya mainit.
Yung pad thai niluto talaga nila. Yung pad thai masarap. Fairness. Di ako mahilig sa ganito pero may. Puro flour.
Puro flour? Oo nga.
Pati lang yung shrimp. Sarap. Gusto ko to.
May justice.
Sarap. Kahit hindi masarap yung shrimp, pero masarap yung pad thai.
Platinum Passion Mall pala to.
Marami daw dyan, more than eh. Parang divisory sa Pilipinas.
Divisory na aircon, pero yan, wholesale. Mahal, actually mahal dito. Doon sa, siguro sa lugar natin. Mas mura.
Kasi ano to, alam puntahan ko talaga, kaya siguro mahal. Alam nila
Hindi
marami.
saka labas ng mall eh.
So guys, pad thai. Oh, natin ko besar. Mana dia? Sabi. Aku kesini, aku makan dulu.
For water.
Maasim yung ano? Diyan may English ha? Ba't yung lipstick? Lipstick ko? Nakakang to? Ito? Ito bagong? Parang siyang matamis na. Maanghang. 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 Hindi ako. Maanghang.
Okay, review. Ito yung mga hindi naubos. Kasi the shrimp is not fresh. Punong-puno lang siya ng, anong tawag doon?
Harina.
Harina.
Flour.
Yon. So, yung pad thai may justice, pero itong parehong fried rice nila,
Fried rice, hindi mo tayo.
sinave sila ng mangga.
Totoo yan.
Mangga save the day.
Yung mangga tayo. Siyempre.
And for the bill, parang feeling ko nasa 1,000 baht
200
tayo.
yung akin. 200. Siguro mga around 800. 800.
Kumot yan.
900 siguro.
900.
p.m. Ay, hindi ko alam. I don't know how to say it, so... Lalakad lang tayo. Ay, feeling ko yun. Pero tingnan lang natin to. While, punta tayo. Hindi, titingnan lang natin to. So, kanina, I have this unfortunate thing that had happened. I hope I'll be able to resolve it, but we'll see.